Today we're going to give a brief demonstration of how ownCloud works and how you can use it for your business to do file sharing where your data is secured in a separate and private area in the cloud. It's also encrypted and your organization owns the data. So you don't have to worry about things like when folks leave an organization, they may or may not have access to the data. You get to control where the data is and who has access to it. Now we're going to do a short demo. If you click on this link, we have a live demo of the tool on our website. Demo user is the username and demo pass is the password. So you can see the interface looks similar to Dropbox in that you have files and folder that you can share and organize your information logically. So here these first two folders have been shared with different groups. We can see who those groups are and we can modify them. We can also password protect things, allow editing or disallow editing, and also set expiration dates for when that link would no longer be valid. You can also see all the documents that have been shared with you. In this case, we haven't shared anything with this account. You can also see what documents and folders you've shared with others. One of the best things about this tool is you can actually create and manage users yourself. So here's a demo user with admin privilege. So if we want to create new users, we go here. And here we go, we can modify, create all kinds of users and associate them with different groups. It's a very robust way to manage teams and file sharing. Now I'd like to show you how the file sharing works on your desktop or on your mobile device without you having to sync anything up. It'll do it automatically. So if we go back to the main page, we can go here. And these are some links to the mobile app and the desktop client. Here from the ownCloud website, you can download the Windows, Mac, and Linux clients. We're running this on a Mac, so I'm going to download it now. Once we install the application, it's going to live up here in our taskbar, and it's going to automatically sync files that we tell it to sync. There's also a mobile version of the client, so you can also have it synced on your mobile devices, including your iPads and your Android phones. Now that it's been installed, we click on the app and it gives us a nice little setup wizard. Copy and paste the URL in here. It's going to prompt us for the username and password. So we can choose what to sync or where to sync it in the server. So these map directly to those file shares that you saw earlier. Let's just say we don't want to share or sync with this file. We can do that. And then we can decide where we want it to be on our local computer as well. So here it gives us just nice little convenient links to open up the browser, open up local file. We're not going to bother with any of that. But what we are going to do is check this out. This is the new icon in our taskbar that wasn't there before, so it's embedded right in our operating system. We can open it up in the browser, or we can go and see what recent changes were made. We can also configure the settings or log out. So here we have a few different settings. You can have multiple ownCloud accounts. We've got the ownCloud one. Then we can check on the activity here in the detail. Also, we can do things like ignoring certain file types or file sizes, kind of flexible in how you might want to manage your file sharing. And also we have some very sophisticated proxying capability and bandwidth limiting capability as well, both up and down. So it's a pretty robust tool in general. One other thing I'd like to point out before I conclude the tutorial is some of the advanced features that ownCloud has. So I'm up in the admin area of the ownCloud version on the server just by clicking on admin here. We've got some really great features like server-side encryption. We've got that already enabled. So, whenever your data is at rest in the cloud, it's encrypted, so nobody can access it if they were to ever get to it without the key. And there's key management here. There are a lot of other features in ownCloud that you can find tutorials online for or experiment with yourself. This demo environment is free, so you can test it out and see how things work. If you have any questions or you're interested in this product for your business, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.